Ahead of the long weekend, not one, two, but four cold fronts making their way to the Western Cape. So here's what you can expect on Thursday. Some foggy patches on Thursday morning over parts of Namakwa land as well as the Western Cape. And then we've got two cold fronts fizzling together, expected to reach the Western Cape on Thursday evening, spreading scattered showers on Thursday night over the southwestern areas before a high-pressure system forces the cold front south into Friday. Most of the rain confined to the southwestern areas, with scattered showers expected from Thursday evening over the peninsula, spreading eastwards over parts of the Winelands on Thursday night, as well as the Overberg. Only isolated showers for the surrounding areas. We're expecting a strong northwesterly wind to blow ahead of that front over the coast of the Western Cape. Winds also picking up over the interior of South Africa, gusting especially in parts of the Karoo. A strong wind for our neighbouring country turning westerly, and a northeasterly wind expected to blow along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal, fresh to strong at times. We do have a yellow level 1 warning in place for damaging winds in the Karoo, level 2 warning for the northern Cape, parts of northwest and the Free State. High seas and strong winds also expected along the coast of the Western Cape, and a level 2 warning in place where a few heavy downpours could lead to very localised flooding in the city of Cape Town and surrounding areas. You'll have a good PV harvest where it's sunny over large parts of South Africa on a Thursday, but it's cloudy here in the Western Cape ahead of the next cold front, and we're also expecting northwesterly winds to pick up and blow strong on a Thursday before that front makes landfall on a Thursday evening over the southwestern coast, with showers on Thursday night spreading eastwards over Worcester, Hermanus, parts of the Winelands and the Overberg, but then that front moving south. Windy conditions expected in the Karoo as well as the interior of the Eastern Cape ahead of the cold front, and that same northwesterly wind will cause bergwind conditions for the eastern areas of the Eastern Cape in the vicinity of Mthatha as well as Port St. John's. The Weather Service has issued an advisory for heatwave conditions that will persist up until Friday. Temperatures over there soaring close to 30 degrees. Also a sunny and warm to hot day for KwaZulu-Natal, soaring to 30 degrees in Pietermaritzburg, upper 20s over the northern areas, and then later a fresh northwest easterly wind blowing along the coast, blowing strong offshore. Sunny skies for Mpumalanga, temperatures in the mid-20s over the Highvelds and soaring to 30 degrees in Skukuza. Also around 30 degrees for the Lowvelds of Limpopo as well as parts of the Bushvelds. It's a sunny and warmer day for Limpopo, as well as northwest. It's going to be sunny, warm to very warm, but windy in the afternoon. Maximum temperatures expected in the upper 20s. A windy day ahead of that front for the Northern Cape, with a gusting north-northwesterly wind expected at times in parts of the Karoo and the eastern regions. The Weather Service has issued a warning for the possibility of damaging winds, and then later some cloud expected to move over the western areas, and overnight into Friday, light rain possible over parts of the Karoo. Also windy conditions over the western parts of the Free State. It's a sunny, windy but warmer afternoon with 27 in Bloemfontein. Moving to Gauteng, where it's going to be a sunny and now comfortable afternoon with maximum temperatures in the mid-20s. And then overnight into Friday, that cold front bringing more light showers for the southwestern areas of South Africa before fizzling out. It's a cold day in Sutherland with 7 degrees. A tale of two worlds when it comes to temperatures over the west and the northeast, with temperatures in the single digits in parts of the Northern Cape and the Western Cape, and soaring to above 30 degrees in the Lowvelds as well as in Mpumalanga and parts of Limpopo. Same on Saturday, we've got the next cold front moving over the southwestern coast, keeping things rainy and cold in Cape Town, but sunny and hot in the northeast. Well, that's all from me. Have a lovely day.